Okay. Then we are going to discuss answers for here. Question number 6. Question number 6. These are all the questions related to agriculture in Sri Lanka and agriculture of the world. These questions related to these 2 lessons. Question number 6. Name 2 famous countries in the continent of Europe that are famous for dairy farming in the world. What are the countries? What are the countries?
Denmark,
Name 2 famous countries in the continent of Europe that are famous for dairy farming. European continent එකේ dairy farming වලට famous countries අහන්න. What are the countries? Denmark, you write down Denmark, Netherlands, France, Sweden, Finland. You write down answers. ලියලා නැත්නම් ලියා ගන්න. Denmark, Netherlands, France, Sweden, Finland.
මේක ගන්න බෑ.
Next one.
ඕකේ ගහන්න එපා. අරක හෙලුණොත් මේක ඕෆ් වෙනවා.
Next question. Write 3 factors. Write 3 factors that have contributed to the development of dairy farming in above mentioned countries. ඒ රටවල dairy farming development හේතු. Write 3 factors. We have to write down 3 factors. What are they? What are the 3 factors? Dairy farming වලට grassland වැඩෙන්න cool temperature එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ නේද මේ සතුන්ට ගැලපෙන විදියට. එහෙනම් cool temperate climate. First factor you write down cool temperate climate, as well as drainage, good drainage, new technology, grasslands, having grasslands, trained labor, and good market, local and foreign market. These are the factors that have contributed to the development of dairy farming in above mentioned countries. Okay, next question. Room number 3, part A. Room number 3, part A. Name the district that the minor export crop research center is located in. Minor export crop research center is located. Name the district. We have to write down the district. Matale. It is established in 2010. Export tradition, a great contribution towards this program was made by the Agro Export Board, which was established in 2010. The necessary instructions are given by the Minor Export Crop Research Institute located at මාතලේ. එතකොට minor export crop cultivations develop කරන්න විවිධ පියවර අරගත්තා මේ. ඊට අවශ්‍ය උපදෙස් ලබා දීම මාතලේ export crop research institution එක මගින් සිද්ධ කරා. Okay. Next question. B. Try to eat traditional and non-traditional minor export crop. Traditional and non-traditional minor export crops. What are the traditional export crops?
Tea, rubber,
Yes. Tea, rubber. Traditional and non-traditional. What are the traditional crops? Traditional. Try to traditional and non-traditional minor export crop. එතකොට tea ලියන්න පුළුවන් ද minor export crop වලට. Cinnamon, coffee, pepper, cardamom, clove, nutmeg, මේවා තමයි පුතේ traditional crops. Non-traditional crops, cashew, flowers, maize, citronella. These are and ornamental plants. Ornamental plants. Okay, next question. C. Explain the importance of of minor export crop to the economy of Sri Lanka using two facts. මොනවාද ලංකාවට මේවෙන් තියෙන වැදගත්කම ශ්‍රී ලංකන් economy එකට. Explain the importance of minor export crop to the economy of Sri Lanka. Economy of Sri Lanka. Can earn foreign exchange. You write down answers. Can earn foreign exchange. Create new job opportunities. Increase the income of laborers. Regional development. ඒ ප්‍රදේශවල සංවර්ධනයක් ඇති වෙනවා. Regional development. Okay. Look at the next question also. Look at this question also. Did you write answers for this one also?
yes, teacher.
Read the questions. බලපු නැති අය කියවන්න ඉක්මනට ප්‍රශ්නේ කියව ගන්න. Question number 7 in this paper. Question number 7. The මේ paper එකේ question number 7 තමයි agriculture සම්බන්ධව questions තියෙන්නේ. උඟාක් ඒවා දැන් දැක්කනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. Question number 7, 6, 4 ඒ වගේ questions වලට අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ agriculture වලින් question එකක් ඇවිත් තියෙනවා. Right. Question number 7 here, part 1. Row number 1. Write 2 physical factors that are caused to distribute paddy cultivation in Sri Lanka. Paddy cultivation distributed බලපාලා තියෙන සාධක තමයි අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. What are the factors? Rainfall over 1900 millimeters. You write down. ලියලා නැත්තම් ලියා ගන්න. Alluvial soil. Temperature between 21 Celsius degrees to 35 Celsius degrees. Dry climate when collecting harvest. Asal නෙලන කාලෙට වියලි දේශගුණයක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. As well as flatlands. Question number 7, row number 2. What are the districts mentioned in the map A, B, and C that belong to the following zones? Dry zone, wet zone. What are the districts which belong to dry zone and wet zone? B, dry zone, Polonnaruwa, dry zone. C, here Z, wet zone, Ratnapura district. Intermediate zone, A, Kurunegala. You write down answers. Dry zone B, Polonnaruwa. We don't need to write Polonnaruwa. Dry zone, Polonnaruwa. Wet zone, dry zone B, wet zone C, intermediate zone A. B, question number B. Question number 7, row number 3, part A. What is the area that the Central Agricultural Research Institute is located? Here should be cereal. What is the answer here? What is the answer? Gannoruwa. The answer, Gannoruwa. Gannoruwa. Next question. B. Question number 7, row number 3. B. Explain two advantages by gaining through developing the vegetable and fruit cultivation in Sri Lanka. Explain two advantages by gaining through developing the vegetable and fruit cultivation in Sri Lanka. Meet සමාන question එකකට අපි කලිනුත් answer කරා. නේද? Fruits cultivation එක develop කිරීමෙන් ලැබෙන වාසි. නේද? Advantages we discuss. Advantages of developing fruit cultivation. Before this we discuss. Now, what are the answers? Can earn foreign exchange. As well as we can take the effective use of lands. As well as it is the solution for unemployment problem. Increase local production. Increase local productions. Can supply the necessities from the economy. Can supply the necessity from the country. රටේ අවශ්‍යතාවයට local consumption වලට අවශ්‍යතාවයට සපයන්න පුළුවන්. Can supply the necessity of local consumption. Okay, look at the next question also. මේකත් බලන්න ඉක්මනට. Question number 6 here, row number 1. In this paper, question number 6. Make a 6 avithene agriculture related question. Name the country. Name the coconut cultivated district shown by letter A and rubber cultivated district shown by letter B. We have to find letter A and B. Here letter A. What is the district? Letter A, what is the district? Puttalam.
Puttalam.
Yes, Puttalam. Puttalam. Then rubber cultivated district B. What is the district here?
Kegol.
Kegol. Kegol. Then row number 2, C, D and E shows the district of minor coconut triangle. Minor coconut triangle. Name them respectively. What are the A, B, oh no, C, D, E. C, D, E. Minor coconut triangle. Can you name it? Minor coconut triangle. C, D, E. C, Tangol. D, Migdenia. E, Ranna. Tangol, Migdenia, Ranna. Okay, next question. Question number 3, A, part A. Write 3 problems faced by the coconut cultivation at present. Coconut cultivation එක සම්බන්ධ තියෙන problems මොනවාද? What are the problems related to coconut cultivation at present? Scarcity of land. දැන් coconut cultivation එකට භූමි නැති වීගෙන යන්නේ නේද? Scarcity of land and fragmentation. භූමි හිගයි තියෙනේවත් කොටස් වෙනවා, කට්ටි වෙනවා. You write down. Scarcity of land and fragmentation of land. Using coconut cultivation land for another purposes. Another purposes. As well as land being used for construction of houses and for other development projects. නිවාස ඉදි කරන්න බහුලව භාවිතා කරනවා මේ coconut cultivated lands කොටස් කරලා. Land being used for construction of houses and for other development purposes due to the rapid increase of population. Another thing is low harvest. Low harvest. අස්වැනි අඩු වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඇයි ඒ? දීර්ඝ කාලයක් එකම භූමියේ coconut cultivation එක තිබීම නිසා නේද? Low harvest due to the cultivation of crop in the same land for a long period of time. Next question. Explain 2 new trends regarding the production and the technology of agriculture in Sri Lanka. Explain 2 new trends. නව ප්‍රවණතා දෙකක් ලියන්න ඕනි මොනව සම්බන්ධවද? Regarding the production and technology. නිෂ්පාදනය හා තාක්ෂණය සම්බන්ධව. What are the problems related to production? Trends. What are the trends? Trends regarding the production. Production සම්බන්ධ trends මොනවාද? Provision of Agricultural production, yes. Explain two nutrients regarding the production and technology of agriculture in Sri Lanka. එක භෝගයන් මේ සමස්ත agriculture එක ගැනම තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. What are the trends related to production? දැන් මීට සමාන ප්‍රශ්න කලින් පේපර් එකේත් තිබුණා. ඒකයි කියන්නේ එක්සෑම් එකකට කරින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පාස් පේපර්ස් කරන්න හරිම ලේසියෙන් ඒකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. එතකොට production related problems trends මොනවාද? Increase in local consumption. Increase in local consumption like coconut, vegetable, fruit, milk, fish. Introduction of intercropping related to agricultural crops. We discussed this answer before this also in another question. Research Institute have introduced new seeds and would resist drought and floods. Provision of subsidies to increase production. Diversification of agricultural productions. You can explain them using new land for cultivations. Rubber cultivation in Vaunia, Mulativ. It is example. This is example for that. Alut waga bhumi hoya ganna. Vaunia, Mulativ wage pradeshawala then rubber waga ganda patan ganna. Promoting the use of organic fertilizer. Ona දැන් ඔයාලට මේ දවස්වල ඇහෙනවා. ඕර නැහැ කියනවා නේද? fertilizers නැහැ කියනවා ගොවියෝ දී ගන්නවා නෙමේ. Organic fertilizers භාවිතා කරන්න. Promoting the use of organic fertilizer. So organic fertilizer centers should is located at Gannoru. The establishment of organic fertilizer center at Gannoru. Mahakandura in Kurunagala district. Mahakandura. What are the trends related to technology? Here we have to write down the trends related to technology also. Technology sambandhav in trends monada. What are the trends? Using machinery with modern technology. Auluth තාක්ෂණයේ තියෙන machines භාවිතා කරනවා නේද? In paddy cultivation, machines are used for planting, seeds, farming, and harvesting. Fishing industry using techniques such as echo sounders, satellites, and GPS technology also. What are the other trends? What are the other trends related to technology? Increase of mechanization in livestock farming. සත්ත්ව පාලනයේ මේ යන්ත්‍ර සූත්‍ර භාවිතය වැඩිපුර යොදාගෙන තියෙනවා දැන් වර්තමානයේ. Introducing new methods in tapping rubber කිරි කැපීමේදී අලුත් ක්‍රම technologies හඳුන්වලා දීලා තියෙනවා. Okay, goodbye children.